going on, guys? EASYHEIMER here. I'm with the Andsky E300. This is their foldable e-bike version in the blue. It comes in two different colors. This is the blue and it also comes in a gray. This has a 48 volt, 13.4 amp hour battery. And it also comes with a 750 watt motor in the rear that peaks at 1,000 watts. It has adjustable suspension up front. So right now it is in locked. You can open it to kind of dampen the suspension in the front a little bit. Also has a little front headlight. This bike is the foldable model, so there's two folding points. There's one right here, and there's one right here. The key insert goes in right there, so no need to worry about people stealing your bike. You can just plug it in, turn it on. So this is what it'll look like when you're riding it. On the left side, you have the front brake, you have the turn signals, and you have a horn. Turn this on, press the power button. That turns on. So up top, you have your battery percentage, your miles per hour, your level of assistance. It's on 0 right now because I just turned it on. And then you also have your odometer. If you press this I button, you can change from your odometer, your max miles per hour, and your average miles per hour. There are 5 levels of assistance on this bike. Turn on the headlights by pressing this button right here. That turns them on. It also turns on the rear brake lights. And right here you do have your turn signal indicator too. Nice little turn signal. Both of them work. So people can know where you're turning. It does come with a little horn. And right here you have the 7-speed. It also comes with fully hydraulic brakes in the front and the rear. The brake discs are drilled and slotted. The seat is adjustable right there. You can get around 30 to 60 miles depending on the level of assistance and how much you weigh as a rider and how much you are pushing the bike. In order to charge it to full capacity, it takes around 4 to 6 hours. It can hold up to 350 pounds. Bike weighs 70 pounds. Comes with these cool little mud guards right here too. One in the front, one in the back. I do kind of like how they split it, so it's like a matte and then it's gloss. I think that's very nice. And a little chain guard right here along the chain. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna do the hill test on the Andsky E300. We're gonna do level 5 assistance going up. Halfway through, we're gonna do the pedal. We're gonna get some top speed tests and some brake tests. So let's go level 5, just throttle only halfway up, but then see how she does. Throttle only halfway up, we're going about 12 miles an hour. And then we'll start pedaling. See how she does uphill. So uphill we're going around 17 miles an hour. So uphill, throttle only, it's around 12 miles an hour. And then uphill with pedaling and throttle assistance, it's around 17 miles an hour, which is pretty good. So now let's go downhill and see how it does. See how we can get for a top speed. Another beautiful sunset. That's what I'm talking about. All right, it's pretty fast. So uphill we got 12 miles an hour just throttle assistance, 17 miles an hour with pedaling, and then downhill we hit a top speed of 40 miles an hour. This bike is unlocked and that was really fast. So 40 miles an hour downhill speed, and the brakes work pretty well. This is a brand new bike, so I think I kind of have to like let them kind of wear in a little bit more, because it did take a little bit for it to stop. But actually 40 miles an hour stopping's not the easiest thing to do. So thoroughly impressed with the top speed, uphill and downhill, and let's keep going. I have ridden this bike 14 miles on a single charge, and I'm about halfway battery. I weigh around 220 pounds, but I've been pretty much using it on level 5 assistance the entire time, so it kind of checks out with their mileage that they talk about. But I really don't have any complaints with this bike. It's fast, it's quick. I like that it's foldable. The suspension works really well. The display is nice. The shocks work really well. I really enjoy these kind of E-moto tires. I think they fit the road really nice, and it makes it for a really smooth, comfortable ride. I'm on my way to get some coffee. I wish this thing had a cup holder, but it doesn't. But that's okay. And yeah, I've been really enjoying this bike. It does everything that it needs to do for a really good price. I mean, top speed I've hit close to 35 miles an hour for almost a $900 bike that has good suspension, good brake, and you could fold it into the back of your car. So I'm really liking what I'm seeing from this bike so far. And it's just a cool design and color overall. Like, I really like the color. It's like a metallic blue, like an navy metallic blue. But it does really, really well. And it's pretty agile too. You could really throw this thing around corners. And it is a taller bike, but it definitely does lean. Definitely does lean pretty good with what you kind of throw at it. I really like this bike. I wish they put a little shock absorber underneath the seat, because it is a little stiff. But I can't really complain. Going 30 miles an hour right now. Yeah, it's definitely a fun little bike for a really good price. And it holds its top speed very well. That guy did not know I was sneaking up on him like that. I'm so sorry, dude. I did not mean to sneak up on you like that. But yeah, this is a really good bike for, I think, like urban commuting. If you just need to go somewhere from point A to point B. Or I can see this thing being good for camping. You can put it in your truck or car and kind of ride around wherever you need it to go, and you can fold it up, and it doesn't take up too much space. But the battery does last pretty far if you are pedaling and not using the full assistance. Like I said, I've done pretty much 20 miles on a single charge, and I'm about halfway, a little bit more than halfway battery. So if you pedal a little bit more, you can definitely get the range up from like 40 to 50, 60 miles on a single charge, which is really good. All right, so it kind of started raining on me. I think it's coming down right now, slowly. But I'm really impressed with this bike for the price that it comes at of $899, which is discounted from $1,500. It does everything you really need it to. It's fully adjustable handlebars, foldable, so you can throw it in the back of your car or truck. You can get 40 to 60 miles of range, and if you unlock it, you can hit like 33 miles an hour, 34 miles an hour. Like, what else could you want more? I thoroughly enjoyed using the Andsky E300. I think at the price point of being at $800, getting 40 to 60 miles of range and hitting a top speed of close to 35 miles an hour, it is a really good bike for anybody who wants a starter foldable e-bike. As always, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. EASYHEIMER out.